At the dawn of day 3, surprisingly, we still have a moist paper towel. But as you can see, well, maybe not, but here you can. We've got much more growth. Buddy, what are you looking for? What do you want? I know what you want. Let's check it out. This cat, this one, he wants. So last checked in the evening. Oh, you gotta get a look at this. Are you ready to see your new home? Holy shit. What a difference 6 or 7 hours make. Holy crap. They're about a day away from kitty cat consumption. You don't want to give the cats the grasslands this young because basically they're going to pull them out of its roots. You do want to get it a little more established. And the way this rack is set up, you know, it's about finger length, so 4, maybe 5 inches, well 3 in my case, 3 to 4 inches depth. And once the grass hits about this level, you know that it's ready for kitty cat consumption, and they won't be literally yanking it out by the roots. So we're about a day away. Check that out. And that water is not dew, that's beading from the water as it's gathered from its roots and drawn up to the tips of the blades of grass. Really cool, eh? Part of the reason why our kitties love it, because they get a little drink, and at least when they're young, some sweet grass. Almost there. Puppy. What time is it? What time is it, kitty cat? I know. Is it? I think it might be. Is it time? Is it time? Oh, somebody thinks it's time. But guess what? I think it's time too. Which means after 4 days, was it 4? Or is it 3? We have you ready? Oh, you're ready. Cat grass. So the final product, basically tall enough to be over the edge of the rack. Healthy enough. A lot of greenery. And bottom line, keep your kitty happy. And he's a happy tabby. He's a happy puppy. Go puppy. There you go. Are you happy? Are you happy? Is that a thank you? I take it by your. Oh. Again, not all cats love cat grass, or are actually able to digest the cat grass. Our other kitty, you know, she'll come here, she'll nibble, and then a few hours later we'll have a patch of green surprise sitting on the carpet. So it's not for every cat, but it's actually great for humans. I mean, 4 days, great yield, probably grow for 4 more. Proof is in the pudding, and a happy kitty. Buddy, no. You got one more day. You got one more day before you get access to the cat grass. Buddy. One day more. Another day, another destiny. This never-ending road to Calvary. These men who seem to know my crime will surely come a second time, one day more. I did not live until today. How can I live when we are parted? Tomorrow you'll be on your way, and yet with you my world has started. One more day upon. Well, here we are. This is day 2.
Planted shelf, so it was just there.
Hey, flower.
It smells so good.
These.
One little flower smells strong.
I know. When they all bloom, it'll be beautiful.
Check Spiky.
No. He is.
Yes.
I don't know.
He's dead.
What? Okay, here we are. This is day 2 of project. Okay, it's kind of late at night. Here we are. Day before what I believe will be the unveiling for the kiddos. Holy crap. Look at that. We've got bush. I mean grass.